Hey everyone, Force Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox disconnect error. If you're seeing something like this where you're disconnected and running into issue, you're going to follow these steps to fix it. Very first thing is to read what this message says. Here, for example, this says lost connection. So it's most likely related to your internet connection or a network setting, which I'll show you how to fix. Sometimes it may be simple as if you launch the game with your account on another device, it's going to kick you off. So you can only use it on one device. So read the message. So most common one is going to be your connection is lost and without any much detail. If that's the case, you want to follow these steps. Very first thing is you want to make sure that if you're using maybe your mobile, try using Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi works the best. If you have 5G or strong Wi-Fi, you want to use that as well and see if that is fixed. So if it is, then you know your cellular data maybe isn't strong enough, so you want to use Wi-Fi. The next thing to do is if you're connected to Wi-Fi and it's still not working and you're noticing maybe slowness on your Wi-Fi, try to restart your router or modem. That will help kind of pick up your connections again and make sure your internet is working, and hence making sure your Roblox is working and it doesn't get disconnect. Now, another thing you want to consider if you're still having issue is going ahead and updating your app. So you can do it by going to the App Store or the Play Store and then just search for Roblox to see if there's an update out. Sometimes outdated version can have issues. Here it's already up to date, but if it wasn't, it will say update, and you want to go ahead and update it as well to make sure you're running the latest version. Now, if you're still having the issue, next thing you want to do is make sure that you are not using any VPN. So here in your iPhone setting or your Android setting, look for the VPN setting and turn it off and go ahead and try. Along with that is airplane mode. If you have airplane mode on, turn off airplane mode as well. That's going to prevent any issues with connecting as well. Now, another thing you also want to make sure the date and the time is correct on your phone. So what you'll do is go into your setting, general, and look for date and time and make sure this is set correctly. If it isn't automatically set correctly, you can turn it off and set it yourself, but ideally automatically should pick up. This usually happens if you're moving around different time zone, and then you need to make sure that the date and the time is correct, as it will prevent you from connecting to the Roblox server. Now, if you're still having issues with all of this, you're going to want to go ahead and just simply delete and reinstall the app itself. So go ahead and long press and hold, and then you're going to remove and then delete the app, and then go to the App Store, the Play Store, and download it again. Remember, deleting will not delete your account. It's just deleting the apps, and you can log back in again. Now, let's say if you're still having issues, sometimes what could happen is that the Roblox server might be down. So what you want to do is check Roblox down detector. And if you check that and you're noticing that there is outage reported, currently there's no problem, but if there is outage reported, you have to wait until Roblox fixes it. Sometimes the servers get overloaded or there's too many connections and they just can't handle that, and they usually fix that within a couple minutes or even a couple hours. Just retry again later on. And I hope these troubleshooting stuff help you. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.